Yeah, okay, thank you. Wrapper classes. What is the wrapper means? Wrapper is a cover, and the wrapper classes is a different, and primitive data types are different. Like a primitive primitive data types, wrapper classes. Primitive data type means, for example, like a byte. B is a small letter, and just I am passing capital letter. It is a byte. The starting of the session, the starting of the course I was discussing to, we can define any data type. The data type letter, starting letter should be a small letter. If in case you can define capital letter, the JVM treat as a class name. Which classes means wrapper classes. Which classes means wrapper classes. Next one is short. Short. Next, int, integer. Next, long. Then I will pass to long, and float. Double, char, character, boolean. These are the primitive data types and wrapper classes. Okay, now we can define starting letter is a small letter. These are the primitive data types. In case if we can define capital letter, these are the wrapper classes. Okay, now then here how to convert the primitive data type into wrapper classes into primitive data types. Okay, now for example, like before like a polymorphism concept, then I was discussing to int x is equal to integer dot parse into argues of 0, argues of 0. Here it is a string data type. It is a string data type within the main method. The string value, the using parse int method, the string value it will be converted into a integer. Which integer? Wrapper class integer. Wrapper class integer. The wrapper class values directly to assign into a primitive data type variable x. Okay, now here parseInt is a method. It is a parseInt is a method of which class? Integer class. Is it clear? ParseInt is a method of which class? Integer class. Okay, now here parseInt means the string value it will be converted into a integer. Integer means wrapper class value. The wrapper class value again assign into a x value. Okay, now here also how to assign, how to convert the primitive data type variable into wrapper class and wrapper class value into primitive data type. That is nothing but a wrapper class concept. Okay, the wrapper class concept divided into a 4 types. What is the means? Boxing, second one is unboxing, and the third one is auto boxing, and fourth one is auto unboxing. Okay now. First one is boxing. What is the unboxing? Sorry, what is the boxing means? The primitive data types, primitive data types, primitive data types of the object, primitive data type object converts into a wrapper classes, wrapper wrapper classes are called boxing. The primitive data type of the object converts into a wrapper classes are called boxing. And the second one is unboxing. Unboxing means reverse. The wrapper class value, the wrapper class, the wrapper class value converts into a primitive data type of the object is called unboxing. Is called unboxing. Next one is auto boxing. Auto boxing. Auto boxing. The JVM automatically. The JVM automatically. The JVM automatically. The JVM automatically. The primitive data type of the object converts into a wrapper class. Wrapper classes is called auto boxing. Auto boxing. Next one is auto unboxing. What is the auto unboxing means? The JVM automatically converts into a the JVM automatically the wrapper class value converts into a wrapper primitive data type of the object is called auto unboxing. Auto unboxing. These are the boxing, unboxing, and auto boxing and auto unboxing. Okay now. First I will take boxing. What is a boxing? Primitive data type object converts into a wrapper classes. For example, like a, then I will take box, save, save. Here, first one means save. What is the first one? Boxing. Boxing means primitive data type of the object converts into a wrapper class. Wrapper classes are called boxing. Okay. Primitive data type of the object means, for example, like a int x is equal to 10. Int x is equal to 10. It is a primitive data type of the object. Primitive data type of the object. Right now, I am converting to integer y is equal to integer dot integer No. Integer. 1 minute. Here I will create a one Java project file, new, others, Java project. Next, like a proper. Next, finish. Yes. Like here, it is my project name. Select src, new, class, box, main method. Then I will define. Here, int x is equal to 10. Integer y is equal to integer dot value of x. Value of x. The value of it is a method of integer class. Integer class. Then put y. What's the value? 10 now. Right now x is a primitive data type. Primitive data type of the object. After integer y. Integer y. Here integer is a class name. Which class name? Proper classes. And y is a variable. Right now what is the y value? 10. Right now the x value to assign into a proper class. Okay now. That is nothing but like a it is a proper class. Proper class and it is a boxing. It is a boxing. The primitive data type of the object converts into a proper classes is called boxing. Okay now. And integer y1 is equal to integer z is equal to x. What's the value? 10 now. The JVM automatically the JVM automatically the wrapper class values the wrapper class the JVM automatically the primitive data type object converts into a wrapper classes is called auto boxing. For example, like I will take one more class. Float f is equal to 450. 450. After like a float f1 is equal to float dot value. See that value of it is a return type is equal to float. Return type is equal to float means 45.0, and which class means float class. Which class means float class. Okay. Then what's the value? F value. Semicolon. F1 means 450.50. Okay now. The wrapper class, it is a primitive data type object. The primitive data type object right now I am converting to a wrapper class variable. Wrapper class variable is nothing but like a boxing. And unboxing means directly like a f float f2 is equal to f is equal to f2. Okay now. It is nothing but a okay now. Same. It is nothing but like a auto boxing. Auto boxing, and it is a boxing. Okay now. That is a boxing and unboxing. Any doubt, Alpesh? Alpesh?
Is that boxing or unboxing? The down to auto
Sorry.
boxing or unboxing?
Yeah.
Unboxing, right?
Auto boxing. Here, what is auto boxing? See that?
So that's boxing, not unboxing. Okay.
Yeah. Here, the primitive data type of the object converts into a wrapper classes is called boxing. The JVM automatically the primitive data type object converts into a wrapper classes is nothing but a auto boxing.
Okay.
Okay now. Here also it is a primitive data type object and it is a wrapper class. Right now the primitive data type of the variable x contain 10 value. That 10 value assigned into a wrapper class variable. Okay now. Here y is nothing but a wrapper class variable. It is nothing but like a boxing. Then the x value directly assigned into a wrapper class variable. It is auto boxing. It's okay. Any doubt? Chaudhary?
So for why can't you just directly assign like z? Can't you assign?
For example, like a already before like a int x is equal to integer dot parseint. It is a address. What is a parseint term? The parseint value, string value, it will be converted into a wrapper classes. The wrapper class value directly to assign into a primitive data type variable. It is nothing but like a auto boxing. Okay. The parseint means it is a method of integer class. It is a method of integer class. The integer class value converts into a means string value. It will be converted into a wrapper class. The wrapper class variable value directly to assign into a x. Here x is nothing but a primitive data type variable. The wrapper class value it will be converted into a primitive data type object. It is nothing but like a auto unboxing. Auto unboxing. Okay now. Chaudhary?
Yes, yeah.
Any doubt?
No.
Devang?
What is the need for wrapper?
Means like a, if you can define for example like a some situation like client requirements then f is equal to, you are defined 45. It is a proper class value because the starting letter is a float f value. Then I want to float f value in the data type. Then simple float f1 is equal to f. Means if any situation, if any APIs are wrapper class concept are supported, easily the wrapper class value it will be converted into a primitive data type variable. APIs means application program interface. If any APIs are not supported data types, the APIs are supported only wrapper classes. The wrapper class value directly it will be converted into a primitive data type object. Okay now, means simple means how to convert the classes into variables. Classes into variables. Okay now. Hello.
Yeah.
Just to how to convert the classes into variable. That is the concept of wrapper class concept. For example, like here see that here integer is a class. Integer contain like a 10 value. The 10 value right now the wrapper class value to assign into a x. It is a primitive data type object. It is auto unboxing. Means depending upon situation, depending upon APS means if any statements are occurred wrapper class concept easily to transfer the wrapper class value into primitive data type object. Why means if you can if in case like a system.out.println then like a integer for example like a then what is the value? Default value null, but real time it will not support a null value. Compulsory to specify the zeros and ones. At that time the integer value it will not possible to store the data type. That is the reason the integer value it will be converted into a primitive data type object. For example, like a one more string username is equal to request dot get parameter. Here I will write to integer dot parse into, then here I will pass to uname, sorry not uname, then I will pass to id. Here into id is equal to 40 value. Right now id is equal to 45. id is a 45. It is a primitive data type object. Then right now the primitive data type object right now I am converting to a string. Here string is a class name. Okay now, and here integer dot parse into. The parse into means it will be converted into a string to integer value. The integer value means id, the integer value to assign into a string. Okay now, here string is nothing but a class name. Okay now, simply how to assign into integer into wrapper class concept, how to convert the wrapper class concept into integer means depending upon in your requirements. For example, like if you can open any browser, like I'm open Facebook. Within the Facebook, then for example like here id is there, for example like a 45. Here first name it will be supported string data type, but I am passing 45. But the 45 into username is equal to into first name is equal to 45. But the 45 is the integer value. But the client requirement the 45 value to store in the database in the form of string. It's a clear. My requirements means my project registration page. first name is 45. It is an integer data type. Then how to convert the integer 45 value into string? Here integer is a primitive data type object and string is nothing but a wrapper class concept. Then how to convert the integer into wrapper class? That is nothing but like a wrapper class concept. Is it clear, everyone? Any doubt? Chaudhary?
Oh no, I got it.
Okay, na? And Narshin, any doubt?
No, I'm fine.
Yeah, thank you. And Kushal? Praveen?
Can you go back to the Eclipse program once?
Okay.
So for line number 8 for integer y, can you do the same way as for z, line number 13? Can you do the same way?
20?
Like line
Yes,
13, yeah.
yeah. It is an integer. I am taking integer wrapper class like it is a float. Then I will take one more example.
Now, I'm little confused when you want to use boxing and when you want to use auto boxing. How do you know?
For example, like a int x is equal to 10 value. Then how to convert the capital letter? Means depending upon in your requirements. Means when not when you are using. For example, like some situation APIs are there, application program interface libraries are there. After I will discussing what is the libraries. Then if any library not supported data type, the library it will be supported only wrapper means class names. Class names. At that time, the integer value compulsory should be converted into a integer value. Okay, na? Then after here collection topic and advanced Java is there. Wrapper class concept. How to assign into a integer, sorry, primitive data type into wrapper class into integer value. Okay, na? Here also I will discussing. See that parse into is equal to integer. Here integer is the wrapper class value. The wrapper class value to assign into a x value. Yes or no? Whenever means depending upon in your requirements, then you can using nothing but a wrapper class concept. Then compulsory you are using this location. Compulsory you are using this location. That is not correct. Okay, now we can write any Java coding in different n number of times. N times you can define the output in the different programming in the Java flexible. Okay, now depending upon in your requirements, then you can using nothing but a wrapper class concept. Okay, now for example, like a sir, my requirement is equal to int x is equal to 10. Then I want to float value. Okay, now then float f is equal to 10 value. Sir, the float value is equal to f, but I want f value in the x. Then simply to convert into f. Then what is the f value? X. Here also int x is equal to 10 is the same, and this one is also same. This one is also same. Means depending upon in your requirements, then you can using nothing but a wrapper class concept or without wrapper class concept. Then compulsory you are using wrapper class concept, that is not a mandatory. Depending upon requirements, then you can using nothing but a wrapper class concept. Shagun. Shagun. Tell me. Shagun. What's in your doubt?
Yeah, I think he sent a message.
What?
Yeah, please check the chat box.
Just not clear. Then what is the doubt? That is I am asking. Shagun. Not clear. What is in your doubt? Yeah, after I will explain one more unboxing and boxing. Okay, now. And Sumit, any doubt? Sumit?
No, no.
Yeah. Suresh? Suresh?
No.
Yeah, okay. Yes?
I'm okay, Ram.
Okay, thank you. And then I will take one more example. New. Then I will make a unbox. Okay. Here the boxing completed and auto boxing is also completed. Okay now. Right now I will discussing unboxing and auto unboxing. What is unboxing? The wrapper class value convert into a primitive data type of the object is called unboxing. Okay. Wrapper class means integer, like I will take double d is equal to, sorry, double d is equal to 45. 45.1. It is a wrapper class value, wrapper class variable value. Okay now. Right now double d1 is equal to d dot double value, d dot double value. The double value, it is a method of double class, see that, dot double. Okay, return type is equal to double, means 45.1. It is a return data type. And what is the class name? Double value is the class name of double. Okay, d1. Here d1 is a primitive data type. What's the value? 45.1. Here it is a wrapper class. The wrapper value, it will be converted into a primitive data type object. Here primitive data type object d1 is a primitive data type object. Primitive data type object. Okay now. It is nothing but a unboxing. It is a unboxing. Okay now. Next object after double d2 is equal to, directly I am assigning to d. Okay now. Sorry. Yeah. Here d is a wrapper class value, wrapper class variable. The wrapper class variable value directly to assign into a primitive data type object. Okay now. It is nothing but like a auto unboxing. Auto unboxing 45 point. Tell me, Shagun. See that here the wrapper class value convert into a primitive data type of the object is called unboxing. Okay. Here also it is a wrapper class. The wrapper class value to convert into a primitive data type of the object is nothing but a unboxing. The JVM automatically, the wrapper class value converts into a primitive data type of the object is called auto unboxing. Auto unboxing. It is nothing but like a auto unboxing. Means a reverse. Means boxing, auto boxing, reverse. Here primitive data type of the object converts into a wrapper class. JVM automatically the primitive data type object converts into a wrapper class. Is a boxing and auto boxing. And unboxing Unboxing and auto unboxing, both are these are the same and these are the same. Here boxing user is defined. Auto boxing means JVM automatically perform that operation. And unboxing is the user defined, and auto unboxing JVM automatically that perform. Okay now, that is nothing but like a boxing, unboxing, auto boxing and auto unboxing.
Now, can I see the first example for boxing just for a second?
Yeah, okay. Okay now, see that primitive data type object to wrapper class. Primitive X is a wrapper primitive data type variable. The primitive data type variable to assign into a wrapper class. Here also it is a primitive data type value. The primitive data type value f, it will be assigned into a wrapper class value f. Okay now, it is a boxing and auto boxing and conpo unboxing. The wrapper class value to assign into a d1. Here what is a d? D is nothing but a wrapper class variable. The wrapper class value to assign into a primitive data type variable. That is nothing but like a unboxing. Automatically to assign into a the wrapper class variable value to assign into a primitive data type object. It is nothing but a auto unboxing. Narshin?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Yeah, thank you. Sumit, tell me.
Yeah, why when JVM can do auto unboxing or auto boxing, why do we need to manually do that? Like when JVM is doing auto unboxing, why do we have to manual boxing, unboxing?
What? I'm not getting in your answer. In your
For
question.
example, in this case, yeah, in this case we have a wrapper class double D45.
Double D. Yeah, here. Okay.
When it is now double D in the auto unboxing part, JVM is automatically doing it. Then why is the need of manual?
Means like a if you want to user it will be perform, then you can perform. Later means JVM automatically perform. Then directly maximum real time using nothing but a this operation.
Okay.
Okay now. Then for example like a typecasting and explicit typecasting and implicit typecasting, Sumit. Okay now.
Okay.
Here explicit and implicit typecasting means like for example like explicit means user it will be perform that operation. Implicit means automatically it will be performed. Like here also you are writing the code of project at that time, then you can using directly, no need. If there is no any possible way, then you can using nothing but unboxing concept.
Okay.
Okay now, no need, that is compulsory, that is not a syntax. Then you can using boxing, unboxing, anyone, no problem in your requirements.
Okay.
Okay now.
Yeah.
Next one is nothing but a modifiers. Okay now. Here modifiers, what is the modifiers means? The modifiers are two types. What is the two types means? What is the modifiers means? Modifieds, and the second one is non-access modifieds. And non-access modifieds. Come to what is the access modifieds? What is the access modifieds means? Like a public, private, protected. The three are keywords, and default. It is not a keyword. It is not a keyword. And the second one is non-access modifiers are like a static keyword, final, abstract, synchronized, and transient, and volatile. Okay now. That is nothing but a non-access modifiers. Okay now. Volatile means 1 minute. Volatile, correct. Okay now. Volatile. Okay now. Here, what is the modifiers means? The modifiers are two types: access modifiers and non-access modifiers. Okay now. And access modifiers are public, private, protected, and these are three are modifiers. And default it is not a keyword, and it is also one of the access modifiers. Here, starting of the core Java, I am discussing one point. The C++, support only three access specifiers: public, private, protected. And Java support totally 4 access specifiers: public, private, protected, and default. Sir, it's okay. Modifieds and specifieds. What is the difference between? What is the difference between access specifieds and access modifieds? What is the difference between access specifieds and access modifieds? For example, like what is the here? If every class act as a default or a public, it will be act. For example, like here a default it will be act as a public. The default act as a public means here before note the default act as a public. It's a clear. If any Java program act as a two, one is a public keyword and second one act as a default. Okay now. Right now I will compile, sorry. Then I will remove system.out.println is equal to hello class box. Save. Then where is the command prompt? Command prompt cmd. Where is the available hdrive cls java c box.java. Okay, hello class. Here default act as a public. Then I will specify to public. No problem. Okay, hello. In case, then here I will specify to private. What is the exception? The modifier private not allowed here. If any Java program act as a two, classes act as a two. One is nothing but a public specifiers and default specifier. Okay now. Here sir, public is a specifier and modified. So what is the difference between specifier and modifiers means? For example, like a int x is equal to 10. Here private. The private properties are, is it possible to access the outside of the classes? Sumit? Right now the x variable is
No.
no, because it is a modifier, as well as public int x is equal to 45. The x1 variable is access to outside of the class or not? Sumit?
Yes, it can be.
Yeah, it is nothing but a specifier. Means if any variable to access the outside of the any location, that is the access specified. Okay now, and to access the if any variable is not access the outside of the classes, that is a modifieds. Both specifier, modifieds, both are same concept. For example, see that. Then access see that the access specifier and access modifiers, the both words specifier and modifiers looks one the same and by the confusing. Okay now, see that public wide display, public private wide display. There are two display methods within the public and private. The two words given the permission to other classes to access the display method. The public means any class from anywhere can access, like a public is a park. Okay now, means the private means not accessible to other classes. That method can be used in the same class which is declared, that is. Okay now, the public and the private is the access specified because it is a specified to access. Okay now, and these are the in case I am not mentioned, then it is a I will take one more class box 1 space box 1. Okay now, here box b1 is equal to box system dot out dot println is equal to b1 dot x. b1 dot x. Here within the class, the public and the private, these are the specified, sir. But outside of the class, sir, the x act as a modified. Means the x variable it will not possible to access the outside of the class. Okay now. Means to specify the permissions on variables, methods, and anything, it is nothing but a modified and specified. Is it clear to everyone? And for example, like a private, it is a specifier or modifier? Sumit?
This is a specifier.
Here, class I mentioned. It is a modifier, means the private keyword is not allowed classes. Okay now. Java C box.java. The modifier private not allowed here. Okay now. And here private and public, it is a specifier because it will be support. And also the private is a modifier. Why? Means the private properties are available only within the class. The private properties are not available outside of the class. It is a modifier. Outside of the class it is a modifier, and within the class it is a specifier, and public is also specifier, any class anywhere. Means to provide the permissions on variables, that is a specifier and modifiers. Is it clear, Sumit?
Yes.
Yesh. Any doubt, Yesh?
It's okay, man. Clear.
Okay, thank you. Suresh? Suresh?
Yeah, it's clear.
Okay, thank you. Sumit?
Yes, clear.
Okay, thank you. Shagun? Okay, thank you. And Praveen?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Narshin?
Yeah.
Is it clear? Any doubt? Yeah. Okay. And
Yeah, no doubt.
okay. Kushal?
Um,
Kushal?
yeah, I didn't get why we are like describing it as private and public, like integer values.
Yeah, for example, like string username is equal to Java. I want a Java variable, just I am passing private. The private variable using only box class. The private username variable is not available outside of the class. It is a compulsory permissions. After I will discussing each and everywhere I will discussing what is the public, how to work the public, what is the private, how to work the private, what is the protected, and each and everyone I will discuss it, no problem. Okay now. Each keyword I will explain one program, subclass and superclass. Then I will take 2 classes. Then I will discussing what is the difference between public, private, protected, and default. Okay now. Next, Devang.
Can you give me the one more example of specifier? So
After I will discussing public, private, protected, then I will discussing. I will take example right now.
no, I am talking about specifier. I
Yeah,
didn't get
specify.
the specifier.
Yeah. Without here, what is the default? It is nothing but a default. Yes or no? Without keyword is nothing but a default. Devang.
Default, yeah.
The default properties are available only within the classes. The default properties are not available outside of the packages.
Okay.
Okay, now I will discussing each and every one variable, no problem. Without X, then it will be possible, no problem. But the X1 variable is available only box class and box class. In case I will specify to package com.abc. Okay, now here the X1 variable is available only box class. It will not available box 1. Why means here X1 variable is a default. The default properties are not allowed outside of the packages. The default properties are available only within the classes. If to access the outside of the class, then to specify the public. Okay, Devang. Right now I will
Okay.
take that.
Okay. Thank you.
Chaudhary.
Can you call that variable x1 from that box1.java?
Where am access? Box 1.
Yeah, can you call that x1
Are
variable?
no package or with the package?
No, in that system.out.println, can we give x1 there?
Here.
Yeah.
Okay. Then come using extends keyword. Okay. It's okay right now. X1 variable. X1 variable is a public. Okay now. First 1 minute. First I will take one example. Int x is equal to 10 right now. Then I will remove a main method. Right now the x is a default or not?
Default.
Kushal, default. Right now, yes. The default then I will remove a box x. Okay now. Box x is equal to 10 and the default value is access to outside of the class using box 1. Say okay. Java C box 1 dot Java x1. Sorry, x1 not x. Correct. Coding is correct. There is no x value.
You don't have any extension.
And also I'm not using B.
Yeah, that's box 1 B1.
So you don't have extensions, do you?
Yeah, no. That is the reason I'm creating a box class object, Narshin. If you can using extends keyword, then you can using box 1 object.
Okay, I didn't pay attention there.
Java. Okay, now 10 value. In case I will specify to private. X has a private access in the box. Only the X is accessing only box. It will not possible to access the box 1 because it is a private properties. Okay now. And
only if it is public, it can be accessed, right?
Yeah, public it will be accessed. 1 minute. Then I will open table access specifier. Table is there. One table is there. Yeah, see that. First I will take private. The private properties are available within the class and within the package. Okay now. First I will take example. Then it is within the class. Public static here right now X variable is a non-static variable. That is the reason I will create a object. New box constructor semicolon system dot out dot print ln is equal to b1 dot x. Right now I will take a private variable, then private. Okay now. Right now I will compile CLS Java C box dot Java box 10 value means the private variables are available within the class and go for within the package. Then I will create a package concept package com.abc. Like how to create package? Java C minus D space dot space box dot Java. Next to Java, what is the package name? com.abc.box 10 value means the private properties are available within the class and within the package and outside package of subclass. For example, okay, here I will take extends box like here are package com.abc. Then here I will using box 1. Okay now. Right now I will compile CLS Java C minus D space dot space box 1 dot Java. Okay now. The X is a private. Means the private properties are not available outside of the subclass package also, and also not available outside of the package. In case, then I will remove a. It is the outside of the package. It is not the outside of the subclass package. Okay now. Not available. Okay now means the private properties are available only within the class and within the package, The private properties are not available outside of the subclass package and outside of the any class package. Is it clear to everyone? Sumit?
Yeah, but in the table it says that access modifier, private access modifier is not available within the package as well.
Yeah, within the package it is available. Sorry, within the package available. No. 1 minute. Within the package. For example, like a com.abc, then see that CLS Java C minus D space dot space what's the class name? Box.java Java com.abc dot box. This variable is available within the class, sorry, within the class and within the package is available. Private properties. And one more. Within the package. Within the package means within the class and within the package. And in case, 1 minute, I will take one more class. New box 1, sorry, box 2. Package com.abc. It is the same package. Box 2. Okay now. Here I will define access to box v1 is equal to new box constructor semicolon system dot outside v1 dot x. Here v1 dot it is also com.abc and it is also com.abc, same package. Java C box 2 dot, sorry, it is a package concept, minus d space dot space box 2 dot Java. Okay now, it is also same package, means within the package.
Okay.
Then go for, where is that one? Enjoy. Com folder is created. ABC and box 1 only available. Okay now. Means I'm thinking like a within the class and within the package means I will take within the class. Okay now. If you can define like a number of packages are there. Sumit, are you understood this point? I will think a same package means within the class package. Then to access the private properties, another class, same package. Another class, same package. It will not available. Okay now.
Okay.
And the private properties are not available in the outside of the subclass package. The subclass package is anything, no problem. Same package or different package.
Okay.
Okay now. And the next one is default. Default. Then here I will without default. It is the default. Then here Java C minus D space dot space box dot Java. Okay now. Next Java com dot abc dot box. Okay now. The default parameters are available within the class. Okay now. Next I will take within the class and within the package. Then after I will access to com.abc. Okay now, within the package, same package, com.abc and com.abc. Box 2. Okay now. Java box. Okay now. Sorry, package concept. Com.abc dot box 2. Okay now, 10 value means the default parameters are available within the class and within the package. And go for superclass extends box. Then here 1 and 1. Then I will compile. Java C minus D space dot space box 1 dot Java. Box 1 extends box. It is a box, properties default, and it is a box 1.
So we should
Tell me. Yeah, 1 minute. Box 1 dot Java. Next, Java com dot abc dot box 2. Sorry, box. It is
because
a default.
we need to access intact, so we should say box B1 equal to new box, right?
Means index is equal to default value.
But this is box.
Default value means
So in
within the box.
box B1, what we have to do, like object of box is to the box, like box B1.
No. Here, what is the means? Outside package of the subclass. Outside package by, sorry, outside package, not a same package. Okay, Sumit.
Okay.
Here, outside package of the subclass only, not a same package. Within the package, it will be available com.abc, com.abc. Outside package of the subclass. Okay. Okay, now not available. Okay, now in case go for box 1, then to specify the public, then to specify the public. Java C minus D space dot space star dot Java. Sorry. Java C minus D space dot space box dot Java. Next to Java C minus D space dot space box 1 dot. Oh, sorry. What's the properties? Box 1 means, and one more. Need for import keyword or not? Sharan, sorry. Import com dot. What's the property? ABC dot. It's a correct or not?
Import.
Here it is a same pack. It is a com.abc.
Yeah.
And it is also different package. How to access the properties using import keyword or not?
No, I didn't attend that class, but I am getting it.
Where is the X variable is available? Com folder is created. Com folder under ABC under box.class file is available. Then I want a X variable. I want X variable in box 1 now. To import the box properties within the box 1, compulsory need for address means dot class file address of box.
Okay.
You know, you don't know Sumit, package concept. That's it.
Yeah, I feel that everything is going very fast, and I think it needs time for me to consume. So I'll check it everything.
Okay. It's a
But
correct
I
or
think,
not?
yeah, it's correct. But I think I need to recheck little bit slowly. I'll check it. Thanks. But, yeah.
Okay. Yeah,
Thank
okay.
you.
Yeah, okay, thank you. If the both programs are same package, no need of import keyword. If the both programs are different packages, compulsory need for import keyword.
Okay.
Then here I will remove. It is a package. Then here, see that. Then I will remove the concept in our doubts. There is no any com folder. There is no any com folder. Right now, CLS Java C minus G space dot space box dot Java. Right now it will be compiled. Automatically the com folder is created, com folder under ABC. ABC under dot class file is available. Okay. Next, after go for another class means box 1. The box 1 address is also different. Minus D space dot space box 1. Right now the dot class file is available which folder? Sumit?
It is in
COM folder is created. COM folder under ABC folder is created. ABC under box 1 dot class file is available.
yes.
Okay na? Okay na? See that. Box is not a public. com.abc cannot be accessed from the outside of the package.
Okay.
Okay na? Because the default properties are not available outside of the subclass and outside of the package also.
Okay.
Okay na? And the next one is protected. Next one is protected. Then here I will specify to protected. Then here I will specify to public because the default properties are not available. The protected properties are available within the class and within the package. Okay. CLS Java C minus G space dot space box dot Java. Successfully. Next to Java com dot abc dot box. 10 value means it will be available within the class and within the package. Then com.abc. Okay now. It is also within the package. Within the package also it will be available. Java C minus G space dot space box 2 dot Java. Within the package com.abc, com.abc and com.abc. Okay now. The protected properties are available within the class and within the package. Within the package means com.abc. Next, Java C com.abc dot
Box 2.
box 2. Java com.abc dot box 2. Then I will mention Java C. Okay na?
Okay.
Then I will pass Java C, not a Java C, just Java. Okay na? Means the protected properties are available within the class and within the package. Okay. Then go for another one. Then here it is a protected properties. Then here X variable is a protected. Right now the X variable to access the outside of the subclass package. Outside of the subclass package. CLS Java C minus D space dot space box 1 dot Java. Okay now. Means there is no any import keyword. Import com dot abc dot box. It is the address. Next Java com dot abc 1 dot box 2. Sorry, com dot abc 1
Dot.
sorry box 1. Sorry, not a box 2. Box 1 means it is available. Okay now. Within the outside of the package of subclass is also the protected properties are available. It is protected X and within the subclass is also available. And what is the last concept outside of the package? Okay now. In case it is outside of the package or not? Ramesh?
Yes.
Okay. Right now I will compile CLS box 1. Okay now. The X is a protected access in the X. It will not available in the outside of the packages. Okay now. Sumit?
Yes.
Okay now. And you know public properties are available any class anywhere. It's a clear?
Yes.
Okay now. And these are the access modifiers. Means access modifiers concept. Within the non-access modifiers already I was discussing to static variable is our Final keyword is the over. Abstract keyword is also over. Yes or no?
Yes.
Next, after multi-threading concept, I will discuss to synchronized concept, collection topic. Then I will discussing into transient and volatile keywords. Any doubt, Alpesh? Alpesh? Chaudhary? Chaudhary?
Yeah, no doubt.
Is that
So
clear?
are this full Java or advanced concept? So one that we are doing now.
What, Chaudhary?
Is this a advanced concept or part of the core Java?
Core Java concept.
Oh, okay.
Not advanced Java. Then if I will start the advanced Java, then I will discussing here advanced Java. I will start tomorrow onwards. Then I will intimate to you.
Oh, okay.
Okay, now.
It seems like advanced.
Yeah. Core Java it will take more time. Like it is a bulk of data is there. Core Java.
Okay.
Once I will start with advanced Java, before I will intimate to what is the connections, what is the project, how to using the project. Each and everyone I will discussing first. What is the project? What is the front end and back end? After I will start with advanced Java. Don't worry. Devang. Devang. Kushal.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Any doubt, Devang?
No, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Kushal.
Yeah, is there any like
Kushal.
is there any reference material or something which I can look into to study detail about all this
Yeah.
online
Already.
content?
Yeah. Asked to Vishal. The Vishal provided one website link. No problem.
Okay.
And Narshin, any doubt? Narshin? Praveen?
No doubts. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Shagun? Yeah, thank you. And Sumit?
No.
Oh, thank you. Suresh?
No, thank you.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Okay, Vishal? Vishal?
Yes, Ram, can you hear me?
Then tomorrow same time 6:30 I will start with the session, Mohan.
6
Sorry,
p.m.
Vishal.
or I mean to say 8 p.m. I mean to say. Okay, 8 p.m. right? Can you hear me?
Vishal? Vishal? Yeah, okay. And after session is over, please call me. Then I will talk to able to some information to you. That is the reason. Okay, thank you.